Thank you to Home Hardware for sponsoring this video. We are at Home Hardware.
Because what's more exciting than kitchen, bathroom, office, or bedroom renovations?
She shed.
No, it's like my garage. Our garage. Garages!
We are visiting Home Hardware because they are outfitting our garage with some amazing storage that we are picking up today. One of us is very, very excited about this.
Yeah, I know. Lindy can't stop talking about it.
Okay, let's get into Home Hardware. So this is the shop.
The garage.
It's not really a garage.
Yeah, workshop, fair enough. I mean, technically it had a garage door, so if it has a garage door, it can be defined as a garage.
Technically it doesn't have a garage door anymore.
Well. When we first saw this space, we were actually really excited. It was a great workshop area, kind of just square footage wise. It was actually bigger than what we thought we were gonna get, but we also knew we were gonna have to do something for storage.
We thought we better tackle the garage first, so that we have a space that we can work in and out of when we're doing the rest of the house renos.
100%. And we knew that if we just moved into this space and we didn't deal with organization right away, it would never get done or wouldn't be prioritized. Okay, well, you'll deal with all the cobwebs and then I'll get the paint stuff.
He'll deal with that and then I'll help assemble some cabinets.
Okay, well. For part of our garage makeover, we wanted to deal with these doors. This actually used to be a garage door. I could see from just some of the bracket work and stuff in the ceiling, and then they switched it out to these doors. These work, but I actually found some really nice used patio doors that we're gonna install. And the nice thing with that is then we'll have an ocean view in the shop. To freshen up all the walls in the shop, we use Home Hardware's Beauty Tone Primer, as well as their interior paint in Essential White. Hey Lindy, you want to come take a look? Ta-da!
Nice.
I was on the fence about doing the floor, but I'm so glad I did.
Yeah, the floor looks amazing. The walls, like, it covered really nice.
It did really cover nice. That sprayer is a lifesaver for these like spaces.
Yeah.
I painted this in like half an hour.
If you wanted to, you could just turn this into an income suite instead of a shop.
Absolutely not. There's also another reason I called you here, is I got these boxes in, but I have all the heavy ones left.
I'm still drinking coffee, so.
Coffees don't pay for themselves, so. Okay.
Okay, let's go lift some boxes. You must be really excited about this.
I'm very excited. The main goal for this shop is to get some organization. We got these cabinets from Home Hardware, and we are gonna get ready to install all of them along this wall. What I really liked about the Gladiator cabinets is that there is a bunch of different sizings, so you could choose different cabinets to perfectly fit your space. They were also really well built and easy to construct, which was a bonus. So you know how I said I measured everything to make sure they fit?
Yeah.
I never measured the electrical panel, but I got half an inch, so that's loads of room.
Oh my word.
I didn't think of that. That would have screwed us up.
That would have messed us up. Look how close you are to it.
Because I don't have enough room on either side to move these that much to dodge the panel. You'd have had to change a configuration of like cabinet, bench, cabinet, which is what we really wanted. Yeah, but I mean, it always works out. No, it always works out.
So lucky.
I even have, that's like loads of room for when I build a little cover for this. I have half an inch. Easy. You want to put this in? Perfect.
Daddy, I only the one that goes inside.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, close the doors. Good job. The cabinets are in.
And they look amazing.
They were actually really easy to assemble. I wasn't sure when we started opening up the boxes and all the pieces, but even our 7-year-old could make a cabinet. So.
So the next step in here is to put something on the wall in the background here.
There's a wall there already with white.
I know, but this is gonna be the main like YouTube filming background in the garage.
This is one of those things where it's like, how can we make the project more complicated by adding extra things?
Well, if I was really gonna make it complicated, I would have you move this.
We're not moving
somewhere.
That's a non-negotiable.
So I'm not making it that complicated. What I would like is this to have some like black textured wall and our logo across it.
That's pretty complicated.
And that's kind of the last step in getting this space all figured out. I'll draw you a plan for the future wall.
I'm going away. You do your plan.
It'll be fun. You'll love it.
have the cabinets all assembled, let's put away some of our tools, including the new benchmark tools that we got from Home Hardware. Just as a reminder, here's what the garage looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. The garage is done.
And Russell could not be happier.
I'm excited to do some woodworking now.
I am actually very excited about this because we have nowhere else in our house to film right now, and we have a really nice backdrop, and we have all this new amazing storage, so there won't be tools and pencils everywhere when I'm trying to film. The majority of our tools are still locked away in the trailer, so those will be coming out in the coming weeks, and you will see this garage fill up gradually.
Based on how everything is playing out, I think there'll be lots of storage here and we'll have a nice organized shop. So Lindy shouldn't be losing pencils anymore. Thanks so much to Home Hardware for partnering with us. I definitely have my dream garage and I can't wait to get to work.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, let us know in the comments, and as always, hit the bell so you don't miss out on future DIY and room makeover videos.
Thanks so much for watching.